Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, and a lot of you guys actually requested meal planning types of videos, so I thought this would be a perfect week to share with you guys basically everything that I made for my family last week. Now, I have to say, I am not really a great cook. I don't enjoy cooking, and sadly, I'm not very good at it. Our nights have been really busy. I have 3 children, and at least 2 of them have something going on almost every night of the week. So I really need to plan ahead, and I need to be prepared for quick and easy meals. So my past week of meals is all going to be something very quick and very easy. So if you are a mom on the go who has a lot going on and you just want to feed your family something healthy, but you don't have a lot of time to invest, or if you are working all day and getting home at like 6 o'clock at night and you don't have, over an hour to prepare a healthy meal for your family, I think these recipes are just really great, quick and easy go-to meals that you can just kind of throw together and have ready for a quick dinner. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you everything that I prepared for my family this past week for dinner. Tonight I'm making chicken stir fry, and basically the only thing I needed was 2 bags of this steam fresh brown and wild rice with broccoli and carrots, 1 bag of the Tyson already grilled and ready chicken breast strips, and some soy sauce. And I'm just heating it all up right here. So tonight's quick and easy meal is just going to be making tacos slash quesadillas. My kids like quesadillas, my husband likes tacos, so I just have this old El Paso taco kit, and I'm doing the soft shells, but I'm doing the whole wheat fajita style for my husband, and then I'm going to use the regular flour tortillas and make quesadillas for the kids. And then I am reserving half of the meat. I actually cooked a whole bunch of ground turkey, so I'm gonna reserve this for tomorrow night's chili. So that'll be another quick and easy meal for tomorrow. And tonight, it's just going to be the tacos and the cheese quesadillas, and also turkey, ground turkey and cheese quesadillas. Some quick and easy fixings to go along with it. I just chopped up some tomato over here, and then in here I just have some lettuce all ready to go, some cheddar cheese, I have some salsa here, and some light sour cream. So on this very wintry, snowy day, I am making chili. I know I've shared this one on a video before, and I will go ahead and link it above, but it's this Slow Cookers McCormick chili, and I always double this recipe. I put in as much as my crock pot can handle, because this will probably make for at least 3 to possibly 4 meals for my family. So I will cook it all up today, and we will have it a couple more times. So this is double the recipe. You need 2 pounds of ground beef or turkey, and I have some ground turkey here from our tacos the other night. And then you also will need 2 cans of diced tomatoes undrained, 2 cans of kidney beans drained and rinsed, and 1 can of tomato sauce. So again, I doubled everything, and I put in some black beans rather than the extra kidney beans, just to change it up a little bit. So this will cook in the crock pot all day, and that will be dinner tonight. Quick and easy. The quick and easy meal tonight is going to be, I just have some of these frozen meatballs by Market Pantry. They're pretty good, I've made them before. I'm trying out this brown rice pasta. We're trying to be a little bit healthier and not have too much of the regular, just like white pasta. And then I have a quick salad here that I put together. And this is the Weiss just basic marinara sauce. So I currently have the meatballs simmering in the sauce, and getting ready to boil the water, and that is going to be our quick and easy dinner tonight. Just spaghetti and meatballs and salad. Tonight's meal is pork loin with asparagus and sweet potato. My husband made this tonight on his precision cooker. So it was really quick and easy for me since he cooked the meat, and I just made the asparagus and the sweet potato. And he cooked it with this piece of equipment right here, which I'm not even so sure how to use, but he enjoys using it, and it was quick and easy. So that is tonight's dinner. Tonight for dinner, I just made a quick beef stroganoff in the crock pot. I used stew meat and an easy crock pot recipe that I found. And I'm gonna serve this over some egg noodles with salad. And here's the recipe if you want to take a quick look at it. I just needed 1.5 pounds of lean beef, which I already purchased cut up and ready to go, an onion, garlic, salt, pepper. I did not use the mushrooms because we don't like mushrooms, and then the cream of mushroom soup, water, and sour cream. Pretty simple and easy recipe for tonight's dinner. For tonight's super easy dinner, I am just making this Campbell's slow cooker buffalo chicken. Basically, you just need a few chicken breasts and a crock pot, and you put this mix in, and I hope it turns out good. This is my first time trying it. So I have whole wheat bread here, Nature's Own whole wheat hamburger buns to make sandwiches, and then I am just going to use these fresh cut green beans for a side. And that is going to be tonight's quick and easy, very fast and very simple crock pot dinner. So the shredded buffalo chicken sandwiches are really good. They're not too spicy or hot, and the kids seem to really like them. We're keeping it simple tonight with paper plates because we have a lot of running around to do. But this is tonight's quick and easy dinner. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it gave you some ideas of what to make for your family in this upcoming week. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me at Jen's Happy Home on Instagram, and please go ahead and subscribe down below so that I can update you every time I have a new and fun video to share. I hope that you're all having a great week. Take care. Bye.